We're doing the sandwich method on our pipes. We'll do the following process. Go ahead and take your base panel out around the pipe, and we'll take our caulking to 3 sides. We'll go ahead and form our panel to our pipe jack to our panel. Fasten that in place. Then we're going to go ahead and take our next panel and cut around that pipe jack. Like so. And we'll fasten that panel as normal. Then we'll come back with our caulking. And caulk around the entire pipe jack. And go ahead and take our granules and put our granules into that caulking.